Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. White. 今日は VWX やりましょう。Let's study VWX today. Okay, ABC ちゃん?
Okay.
Okay, boys and girls? 皆さん大丈夫?
Okay.
用意ができたの? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, V. Can we write V? V は書きやすいよ. It's very easy to write. ABC ちゃん, even you can write V. Watch me. Watch. 1, 2. Big V. ABC ちゃん, can you write big V?
Sure.
Good job. Boys and girls, can you write big V? 1, 2. Good job, good job. Okay, now let's write small v. 小文字 v も書きましょう。1の2。ABC ちゃん、can you write small v?
Sure, Mr. White.
Oh, good job. Okay. V. V は、ちょっと待って、just a second. チョキ、vest. V-E-S-T. チョキ is vest. V-E-S-T. vest. ABC ちゃん、write vest. V-E-S-T. OK. 皆さん、君たちも V-E-S-T を書いてください。V-E-S-T. Good job. よくできた。You did a good job. Also, ABC ちゃん, you did a good job.
Thank you, Mr. White.
You're welcome. Next, 次は W. Let's write big W. 大文字 W を書きましょう。1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. ABC ちゃん, can you write big W?
Sure.
皆さんも大文字 W を書いてほしい。I want all of you to write big W. 1, 2, 3, 4. 書きましたか？見えない。ちょっと先生に見せて。あ、見える。I can see, I can see. Good job. Thank you very much. Now, ABC ちゃん, let's write small w. 書きやすいよ。It's easy to write. 先生の手を見て。Look at my hand. W. ABC ちゃん, please write small w. Boys and girls, 君たちもちっちゃい W を書いてください。Boys and girls, please write small w. Oh, good job. ちょっと見せて。Show me your small w. Good job. うまくできた。You did a good job. W. W, W, W. W で始まる単語は何ですか？ What word starts with W? Water. 水。水は water. Let's write water. W, A, T, E, R. ABC ちゃん、water を書いてください。W, A, T, E, R. Good job. Boys and girls, 君たちも water を書いてください。W, A, T, E, R. Good job. Thank you, boys and girls. That was fun. 楽しかったね。Okay, next, let's study X. X is easy to write. X は書きやすい。1, 2, X. Big X. ABC ちゃん, can you write big X?
Sure, Mr. White.
Oh, good job. Boys and girls, 君たちも大文字 X を書いてくれる？書いてから先生に見せて。Okay?
Okay.
Good job. Wow. ありがとうございます。Okay. Big X. small x. 皆さん、大文字小文字 x を書いて、everyone, write the big X and the small x. ABC ちゃん、can you write big X, small x?
Sure, Mr. White.
Good boy. X で始まる単語は何でしょう? What word starts with X? When you go to the doctor, you take an X-ray. 医者のところに行くときにあるとき X-ray を受けるでしょ? Yes, okay. X-ray. X R A Y. X-ray. Boys and girls, please write X-ray in your notebook.
Sure.
Show me your X-ray. Oh, good. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, ABC ちゃん。ABC ちゃんと皆さんにありがとうございます。Next time, we are going to study Y and Z. See you next time. Bye.